Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to list and sell your tickets on Stubhub. So if you don't already have an account with Stubhub, you will need to create one. And if you do already have an account, go to the top where it says Sell Tickets, click on Sell Tickets, and it will ask you what are you selling, and enter the name of the event that you're selling tickets for. So in this case, I'm selling tickets for Harry Styles. So we will enter that, and it will give you a list of the dates of the Harry Styles concerts. So the tickets that I'm selling are for the September 28th at Radio City. So I will check that box and then come over here and click on Start Listing. And it will ask you how many tickets do you have. So you enter the quantity. In this case I have 2 tickets. It asks if you have a parking pass. I do not, so check no. There are some pre-selected preferences, like sell all my tickets together. In this case I only have 2 tickets, so of course I want to sell them together. So I leave all these checked off, and it asks, are you ready to deliver your tickets? That means, do you have a PDF file of your tickets so they could be delivered instantly? And in this case I do have that, so I will check yes. And it asks to select a delivery method, and I do have the PDF, so I will click on Upload PDF. So it's asking me to upload the tickets. I don't have them downloaded yet, so what we need to do is go to Ticketmaster, and I will show you how to download your tickets. Okay, so now I am on the Ticketmaster website, and if you're not already signed into Ticketmaster, of course you will need to do that. So we need to find our tickets in our Ticketmaster account. Click on Orders. That will bring up all your tickets, and in this case I'm looking for the Harry Styles tickets. So I need to click on Load More. And there are the tickets. So click on See Details. So you want to click on View Tickets, and then you want to click on Print at Home. Click on Print Tickets. And that will bring up your tickets. Now we don't actually want to print them, we want to download them. So at the top, if you move your mouse to the top, you see Downloads. So we click on Downloads. I'm going to download it into the Downloads section. And we're going to call it Radio City Harry Styles. Okay, so I'm going to save that. And that has now been saved. So now we just click on Upload Tickets. And I go to my downloads, and I'll enter Radio City Harry Styles, which comes up right away. I open that and click on Next. And I confirm that these are the tickets that I'm uploading. And I scroll down, and you can see it has automatically put in the section and the row and the seat numbers. So everything was done for me automatically. So I can just click on Continue. And now it's asking me to enter the price per ticket. And I actually have been monitoring the Harry Styles ticket sales, so I'm going to set that at $2,200 per ticket. and it shows when the tickets are sold, we will receive $3,960. Okay, when we scroll, we can see that we will be paid through PayPal, and I will click Create the Listing. And now if you want, you can view your listing. And if you come over here, you can see this is my listing. The tickets are now for sale, and it shows instant download. That is a very good thing because other people have their tickets listed as delivered by UPS or electronic, and tickets do sell better when you have the instant download on Stubhub. So listing your tickets on Stubhub is a very easy process. It is very, very profitable. If you would like to make money reselling tickets, just click on the link below.